In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover hacked Gmail account. If your Gmail has been compromised or you can't sign in, don't panic. Google provides an official recovery process that can help you get back in safely. I'll walk you through it clearly and give you helpful context along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your browser and going to https://accounts.google.com/sign in recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page. It's best to do this on a device and internet connection you've used for this account before, as familiar activity can help confirm it's really you. On the recovery page, enter your Gmail address carefully. Make sure there are no typos and that the domain is correct. Then select Next to move forward. You'll be asked for the last password you remember using with this account. Even if the password was changed by someone else, sharing the most recent one you can recall helps Google verify your ownership. If you can't remember the exact password, think of your best last known version, maybe a common phrase you used or a slight variation you tried before. The system looks for signals that you're the legitimate owner, so your closest accurate memory helps. Next comes verification. Google may offer to send a code to your phone number or your recovery email. Choose the option you can access right now. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. These codes are time-sensitive, so use it promptly and never share it with anyone claiming to be support. If you're using a recovery email, check your inbox and spam folders just in case the message was filtered. If you see security questions instead, answer them as accurately as you can. Provide the answers you originally set up and keep your responses consistent with what you used before. Even approximate answers can help if they're close to what you initially provided. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used on this account before. Aim for a mix of length and variety. Using a memorable passphrase can be both secure and easy to recall. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts and keep this one private. That's the main official recovery method from Google. By using the account recovery page, confirming your identity with a code or security questions, and setting a strong new password, you can regain control of your Gmail safely and confidently.